Hey guys, welcome to our next video and the new method that we are going to learn on string methods, that is alignment method. Now, alignment methods are usually used to or is majorly used to use for alignment of characters within string objects. So you can use it for alignment of the words or the characters within a string. To start with, there are 4 or 5 types of string methods in alignment, which is center, adjust, adjust, expand tabs, and z-fill. Yeah, we'll check them one by one in our subsequent videos. So, what does alignment method, which has center as its function, does? So, what center does is uh, it positions the current string in the center as per the given width. Yeah. So this method accepts an integer value representing the desired width of the string as a parameter, places the current string at the center, and fills the remaining characters of the string with spaces. Yeah. It fills it with spaces or any of the character that we specify. Yeah. By default, the remaining characters are filled with empty spaces or just space, or it puts a padding with the relevant optional character that we provide. Yeah. Now let's see first the syntax of center function. We'll see the syntax, and then we'll quickly run into examples which will help us to understand what it does. So it has the string, then we have the function that is center, then we have to fill the width, how much width you want to occupy for that particular string. And then you have an optional to fill character. So there is an option to fill character. Yes, which is optional. Or if you do not fill this character, it will automatically assign a space to it. Let's see an example you will automatically understand. So what this width does is the parameter, this particular width is an integer. So you have to add an integer there, yeah, which represents the total length of the string along with the padding characters. And fill char, which is specified in square bracket, that is optional. These parameters are used for filling the character. So only single length character is accepted. Yeah, the default filling character is ASCII, is an ASCII character. So what it does, let me put that as well. Yeah, so the return value is a centered string. So let's see an example. So suppose I have a string that is str1, that is eyes, can, and a. Yeah. So it has how many strings? How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah. So this is how I counted. But if you remember, there's an option called, sorry, str1 dot len. I guess this is the count. So let me see if it gives. So there is a function to count. you have, I remember that is len function, but let me see if it works this way. It is len str1. I hope this works. Yeah, it shows it's 14 characters. As we have seen this, we have counted one by one. Now what we do is, in order to find how the string function works, is let's get an output to it, or a result, output or result. Okay. Result would be str dot center. Yes, this is our syntax. Then we say I want to pad it with 20. I want the string to be the width to be 20. And the character that has to be filled is dollar. Yeah. Let's see what is the output. I'll just print result. Yeah. See this? str1. Oh, sorry. My mistake. My bad. See this? Now it has 14 characters, right? And we have given the width as 20. So if you see, it has padded, it has made the text in center, and it has padded on both sides, right and left, with 33 dollar symbol to make it the width of 20. Yeah. So the resultant, or the resultant string it has a width of 20. And if I try to see the length of result, if you see this length of result, I'll not put it here. I'll put it down. So the length of result is 20. Yeah, wherein a string had the length of 14. So it has automatically, if I minus the remaining characters, 20 minus 14 is 6. So it had divided it both on the either side, 3, 3, and it has replaced the remaining empty spaces with dollar, with 3 dollars on each side. Yeah. So this is how string after applying the center function. Yes. So this is a result. So what it did is it took the string iscan analyze, it took the length of it, applied 20 as the length to it, and automatically replaced the remaining characters with dollar. So the output is printed through a print, that is result. Yeah. Now, if an alphabet taken as fill character, the input string is padded with that alphabet. So suppose I'll take this same example and try to pad this with an alphabet X, capital X. Yeah, let's see what happens. So instead of dollar, it has padded it with capital X on both sides. See this? So this is an example of padding with alphabets. Yes. What we can do is now if the field character is not specified. So if I do not specify the field character, I'll just say 20. I do not put any field character because that's optional, right? So it will automatically pad it with space. So you see here, there is a space here, and there is a space which is being added here at the end. Yes, 3 spaces here and 3 spaces here, which we cannot see, but obvious space cannot be seen here. Yeah. So if a field character is not specified in the parameter of center, then the default field character, which is the ASCII space, is considered as the padding. So it has padded three characters on both sides of I scan analyze. Yeah. Now you need to remember that the function does not modify the original string if the parameter width that is mentioned is less than the length of the original string. Yeah. You need to remember this. This is very important. Yeah. So if write it this way, yeah, what it does is suppose I have this padding. So suppose I have, if you remember, a length of the string was 14 and I keep the padding to 5. I keep the width to 5. Yeah. It will not modify the original string. It will just print what the string it is. Yeah. So the print function takes the output and gives the output. It will not consider the center functions 5 as the width because my string already has the length which is greater than 5. So it will only work, the center function would only apply or will only come into action when the width provided is more than the length of the string. Yeah. Now, this function accept the fill char specifically accept only one character, which we have specified here. Yeah. The default filling character is the ASCII space, and its only single length character is accepted. Yeah. So if I try to put double characters, so suppose in spite of X, I say double X. I say double X. If I try to put double X, it will come out with a type error. See this? Single character fill char fill char can fill only single character. Yeah. So you need to remember this while using the center function. So I guess you have understood what it does. It's basically a method to position your string in the center of the given width. So this is more to do with your alignment of text. Hope you like this video. Please share, comment, like my channel. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel to get such more videos in future automatic. Thank you so much.